Most new managers think that their job is to have all the answers. It's not. Ronald here, over a decade in leadership, certified John Maxwell coach. I help new managers lead with more confidence and less guesswork. So, when you got promoted, your job changed. You're not the top performer anymore. You're the person responsible for making other people perform. And here's what happens when you keep playing answer machine. Your team stops thinking. They just wait for you. And then one day you realize nothing moves unless you move it first. That's not leadership. That's a bottleneck with a title. The smartest thing you can do as a new manager, the next time someone comes to you with a problem, don't answer it right away. Ask first, what do you think? Sit with the silence. Let them think. You'll be surprised what comes back. Your job isn't to be the smartest person in the room. It's to make the room smarter. Follow for more leading with confidence, not just authority.